Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. So you may have this issue with your garbage disposal and no cover. What do? Because you don't want things falling down into there. So how do you solve that problem? Well, here we go. I've got here the Cuisinart two-pack sink strainers. So you just place these over the opening there. They'll trap the food within this. This is stainless steel, and you can just flip this side to clean it and rinse it under there. So a great solution, and it's available in a 2-pack as well. So we're taking this out now. Look at this. Just place it over. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Just going to pour the water through now. See the water bubbling through. As I say, if something gets in there and it gets trapped, all you got to do, lift this out, rinse it from the back. Stops your spoons and other items falling through. Great product. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.